Good afternoon, dear traders. Good evening, good morning, wherever you are. This is Alex Gerchik, and in this year, in 2016, this is our last webinar towards the market. Today, we're not going to talk about forex, but we're going to talk about the market. And I'm going to show you some stocks today, and I want to prove it to you that the levels. I'm going to show you some stocks that's hopefully, if you're going to take a look, you'll understand what exactly we're talking about. So we're going to begin right now with our presentation, and I hope it's going to work well for you. First of all, I want to begin our presentation with a company SYNZ. I mean, you may ask the questions. I mean, this is a little piece of shit. What's there to talk about? Why would you even bring that company? Why would you bring that issue? I mean, this is a shitty company. Nothing is there. But the reason why I want to bring this company to you, because I want to show to you how the level works. And you'll understand one thing for a fact, that this nothing is coincidence in a stock chart. Nothing. The charts are there basically to make money, and I'll show you in an example of this company that you could have actually easily make 30, easily could have made 10-12% with a pretty much no risk. Even though the company is not like or too liquid, but I want to show it to you. I don't usually trade illiquid stocks, but I want to show it to you because I really like how the stock shows. Take a look. I want to show you some bars, and I want you to take a look, and you'll understand the price. Take a look. Okay. In this window, you can see every single bar. You can see the price of the bar. So you'll understand that this is a coincidence or not. Look at this. The low of this bar, it's $2.70. Okay, this is the low of a false breakout. Take a look. $2.70. $2.70. $2.70. 270. 270. 270. 270. 270 and 270. So we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bars on the daily chart touching the same price, $2.70. The most important thing, we have a little false breakout. So this is the low of 265. So within 5 cents risk, you could have easily take a look from 270 to 320, 50 cents. So you have about 10 to 1 on the chart. You could have easily make money on it. But the most important thing, what I want to show to you, that you have $2.70. Very, very good limit buyer. That's what it is. So we're going to start with a few stocks. PTCT, that's the company, I've had it in the list. Very important thing. We show this company. I showed this company to you before. I had a short in the stock. It was at about $8 a share. We went all the way down to $4. Then we have a gap. But what I want to show you, take a look. We have a very strong level of $13. Take a look. Very strong level of $13. And we have a false breakout one. And then we try to basically go for the retest. And we have a $13 a share again. Again, false breakout. And now the stock looks like it's going to go to $12 or $11 a share. Another company, basically, which I like the stock, ATEM. Take a look. What do we have today? We have to watch out for the level of $8. Take a look. It was a very strong level of $8. We basically try to close down below $8, and we have all the chances. Once basically the stock is not going to break 875, we have all the chances for the company to break $8 a share and go lower. But the very important thing, if the stock is going to break 875, the stock has all the chances to go up. So very important thing is to watch out where we're going to close and which levels are going to be breaking. SPHS, take a look. Very, very important thing. What do we have today? The price for the stock, it was at $3 a share. Then we have, what do we have? Take a look. Very important level right here. High, it's 320. So what do we have? If the company is going to break $3.20, but I want to show to you one thing just for you to see. Take a look. This is 320. Take a look at this. 324. You see? So what do you see here? And this is a little bit higher. 330. Somebody's trying to accumulate the position. Take a look. The stock is basically it's trading below $3 a share, but somebody is trying to buy the stock. So if it's going to break 320, then the stock has all the chances to go higher. Very important thing. It's to see where the stock is going to close. But for now, we have a very nice accumulations, and accumulations goes towards the 320 stock. NYCC, very nice stock. Basically, it did already move. Take a look what was there at the $13 a share. It was a very big accumulations. Then the stock basically went all the way to $15. Now it's nothing interesting. The stock already worked out. I mean, it made money. It made $2.50, which is 20%, and nothing is there for this stock to go up or down. Basically, other stock is VCOV. What do we have in a company with the VCOV? Take a look. We have a very strong level as well over $8 a share right here. And as you can see, somebody is trying to buy, sell against $8 a share. Very important thing. We broke $8 a share. We stay below $8 a share. Then we came back, and what's going on right now? After we came back after $8 a share, basically, if it would be false breakout, we're supposed to go up to $9 or $10 a share, but we're not going there. Otherwise, we are trying to basically accumulate below $8 a share and go lower. What's going on with this company? If stock is not going to have a chance, or it's not going to have a power to hold down below $8 a share, then the stock has all the chances to go much lower. Take a look at this company. The company basically did extremely good run. It went from $6 all the way up to 13. Take a look. It was a rally of almost 100%, and right now, somebody's selling the stock. It's not going any higher. And the most important thing, the S&P is breaking. Take a look. Just want to show it to you. S&P basically, trades all the way higher. But the most important thing with this company, BCOV, nothing is going on there. It's not going any lower. Anyway, very important stocks which I want to show to you. If you remember, I want to put a little bit more deeper time for the stock to show to you, because this stock can be a major player and a major winner if you trade. Very important thing about this company. This company has been heavily accumulated by the Carl Icahn to his portfolio. And in this stock, he lost a lot of money. I want to show it to you just for you to understand. This company used to be almost $260 a share. And at one point, take a look what's going on with the stock right now. The stock it's coming out to the very crucial level. We're talking about $7, $8, $9 a share. So very important thing for the stock right now. What I see, take a look. Basically, we have a gap. After gap, we're falling down, and basically we're trying to go back and retest the low. If we're going to retest the low, then the stock is going to go much, much lower, and we're not going to have any chances for the stock to go higher. I would definitely be a big seller at the $14 a share. If the stock is going to break $14 a share, then I think nothing is going to stop this company. Maybe sooner or later, the stock is going to do well. The company is going to do well one day, because everybody is putting a big bet for the company that is going to come back one day, that is going to pull back. But I think personally, honestly, that the stock is not ready to go up. And if the stock is going to break $14 a share, the stock has all the chances to go much, much lower. CRME, take a look. Very important level of $3 a share. Very important level of $3 a share. And a very important lower level of about 260, 275. So the very important thing, you have a very tight range. Usually I don't do anything in the range. I can only trade upside of the range or downside of the range. What's going on with this company? If you take a look, that is 302 high side of the level. If the stock is going to basically break 302, 303, it has all the chances to go higher. If the company is going to go below 260, 275, it has all the chances to go lower. But this is a pharmaceutical company. Pharmaceutical company do perform that way. They break outs, they break downs. So it's a very, very big chance for the stock to go either much, much higher from $3 a share, because it stays and accumulate the long position. Either it's going to break down to 275 and go much lower. Another company I showed already, SYNZ. That's the stock which touch every single level at 270. Another stock, LEGU. Take a look. Very interesting company. Slowly the stock is dying. I want to show it to you. It's a 360, a very important level. Let's see a much bigger time frame because this is not enough, but take a look. The bad part about the stock that last year the stock came out as an IPO, and right now this company is getting destroyed. Usually the IPO, initial public offering, has an issue. If the stock is touching the low, basically then the stock has a problem, and this company is going to much lower. So what do we have right now? We have a low of this bar, which is $3.55 right here. I want to show it to you. If the level of $3.55 is going to be broken, then the company basically can have a very hard time and it can go much lower. Because, a lot of people who basically bought the IPO is not selling it, and the stock has a very big chances to go much lower. Few more stocks. MOT, take a look, very strong stock from $12 a share to 16. This is the 30%. The company was accumulating, staying right there for a very long time. It still looks strong until $15 a share. It's nothing is bad about it. So for now, it's still holding very strongly up, and the stock has a chance to go higher. RPXC also, take a look. This is not a big company, but after 11.25, somewhere in this range, after consolidation, the stock can go much higher, and you can basically benefit from it. But just for you to understand, this is a company which has a very small ATR, and the volume is not that big. But I'm just showing to you for you to understand the technical analysis and principles of stock that I choose. APIC, it's got bought out, SQNS. Also, take a look at this company. $1.70, a very crucial level for the stock. Take a look, very crucial level of the stock. And it's if the company is going to break $1.70, the low side of the level, then we have all the chances to go much lower. Hold on, my dear friends. Now I want to talk a little bit about something before the new year. As you know, we're going towards the new year. So what I want to tell you that's in our company, we get in touch many more new instruments, and you can trade gold, you can trade oil with us. As you know, our company, when we were building the company, it was a trading company which is built by traders for the traders. So if you're not trading with us yet, more than welcome to trade with us. This is, as I said before, this is going to be our last webinar about the stocks. If you have something interesting to send us, please send us and I will answer all of your questions. In any case, if we don't speak to you, we don't see you, Happy New Year. All the best to you, and we'll see you in 2017. It's been Alexander Gerchik, president of Gerchik Co Company, and today we have analysis of a stock market. Thank you very much and have a nice day.